Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing well. I hope you are.
I am too. Where are you from?
We're from North Carolina.
Oh, we're in North Carolina.
And we're from Wake Forest, right outside of Raleigh.
Oh, nice, nice. So is this your first time in Barbados?
It is.
Oh, how are you liking it so far?
I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I'd love to come back again.
Good. Are you here staying, or were you on a cruise ship?
We're on a cruise ship.
Okay, the Carnival Victory?
On the Victory.
Oh, awesome, awesome.
You too?
No, I'm actually from here.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah.
It's a great place to be from.
Yes, it sure is. So you're having a good time on the El Tigre today?
Awesome, awesome. It's
Good.
fabulous. It really is. It's really been a fun time. I'm glad we did it.
Good, good. Did you get to touch the turtle?
No, I didn't touch them, but I did see them.
Oh, good. Yeah, I know they're little.
I saw several of them.
Oh, good, good. Did you see the shipwreck?
No, I didn't do that.
Okay.
I was enjoying myself too much on the boat to leave.
Fair enough. Once you had a good time.
Yes, absolutely.
Well, thank you very much.
Oh, you're so welcome.
All right.